So basically, this is a normal MDA coordination meeting which we try to have whenever possible. The idea is to really bring the legislatures and also the party leaders together so that we can share and discuss about issues that are there. So many issues were discussed. I'm sure the other members of the coordination committee must have already shared with you the different issues and concerns. So basically, they had some concerns about the border issues. So we had given them clarification on the border issue. Then they had concerns about some of the issues of education, about the CUET and other things. So while we were in the meeting, the letter from Dharmendra Pradhanji also came in. So it was a good timing for us in one way, and where Dharmendra Pradhanji has specifically mentioned that the other colleges can continue their admissions on the basis of how they used to do before, which means that CUT will not have to be taken. Apart from that, there was other concerns that were being raised by them, which we tried to address, and so that was it. So as I said, it's a regular meeting in which we try to have every now and then. So that's all. None of the partners suggested or asked us to review the MDA. We always sit together. We always meet, and we always try to feel that we should communicate to each other. We should talk to each other, and therefore there were concerns that were there by the members. So we felt that fine, we can clarify that to them. But we have always clarified to them at unofficial level also, and there has not been any concern at all. Nobody has said that they want to revisit their mind.